boat trip day. So we're going on a boat called the Princess Diana. We're going on that boat and we're going around 3 of the islands, barbecue lunch, 3 lots of snorkelling, a little walk around an island for an hour and a half. What do you reckon? We're looking forward to it?
Yep, sounds good.
Sounds good, doesn't it? €25 each, including your barbecue lunch. So come with us out for the day. We'll have a walk down the front and you can see all the different boats. We went on this boat because it's the one that actually looks like a boat, isn't it? Right, and the lady actually said to us, this is not a party boat, this is like just a normal boat.
You didn't want to go on the pirate boat.
And it actually looks like a boat, right? And the other 80% of the boats you're going to see in a minute, they're all pirate boats. There's even blokes dressed as pirates outside there going, aha, come aboard! Isn't there? Come on. Pirates of the Aegean. There you go, that one actually looks like a boat, doesn't it? Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Look at that, it's actually good. Look at them, that is the disco boat. Thank God I'm not on that one. Hello, are you the captain of the vessel?
I'm just going to come and have a look at that before we get lunch.
Yeah.
There's a big queue anyway.
I know, it's not a big queue. It's only, there wasn't a big queue when I looked.
Hello, Mr. Goldie.
Oh my God, this is very colonial, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Wow, this is like odd. That looks good.
Different.
Are they down?
So thank you. Thank you. One packet? Yes, one packet. Thank you. Five. Six. Sorry.
That'll do, I think.
Thank
Very nice.
Donuts.
What are they, Jess?
Fresh donuts.
Fresh donuts. Oh my god. Whole box fresh donuts, €5. What's not to like about that? Oh my goodness. Oh. I dropped it, it's that hot.
I picked a hot one up there.
That's what I said to you. So this is the island of Kalymnos then. We've been dropped off here just at the jetty there, really good. Dropped off here for about 50 minutes, and in 5 minutes into the 50 minutes and Ches was straight into a packet of donuts and she's already eyeing up some homemade lemonade from the way home, aren't Ches?
Yeah.
So what a good boat trip this is. What excellent value for money for your €25 this is. Very good. How's that, Jazz?
Nice and fresh.
Got 2 fresh orange juices here. Cut here with fresh oranges. €2.50 each. How nice is that? And we're sitting here in the shade, just drinking them. They're the deepest. There's only one thing more orange looking than that. Do you know what it is?
Your shorts.
My shorts. That's right. If I fall overboard, right, a passing fishing boat will pick me up because they'll think I'm a lobster pot. Here's the local specialities. Look, goat in red sauce, stuffed goat, stuffed vine leaves, stuffed peppers. I don't think them goats would stand 5 minutes up by that church on this island here and be dead. Now here's a top tip for you if you ever come into cars on boat trips, right? Look, see this one next to us? This one's called Christina. It's got a few seats at the back, but the top of it is almost totally like mats. A couple of seats there and nothing but mats all the way across the front there. So basically you've got no seats. If you look on this one, Princess Diana, look, it's all seats, all across the top here, seats. All down there seats. Then there's loads of seats all the way around here as well, and there's a few mats in the middle, but loads of these aren't, right? Loads of these are just mats, right? So you need to look out for that. And the other thing you want to look out for is look out for the ones that are pirate ships, because that one we just went past before, oh my god, that was like a disco on wheels. I'd have been doing my nut if I'd have been on that for the day. So your best bet is if you want to go for a trip in cars on a boat, is walk down the harbour about 9:30 in the morning and walk past them and see which one you fancy the look of. We went on the Princess Diana. Okay, this is the 3rd stop. Thank you.
Have a good swimming.
Thank you. Okay, this is the 3rd stop then, which is absolutely lovely as well. So it's just backed into the bay here along with another boat, and then you can have a little walk on the beachy bit here, and then there's swimming over the side here. Let me have a look at this. The pirate ship of the Aegean's just come in, oh my god. What we saying, friend? Did we enjoy that?
Yes, we did. Yes, we did.
Oh my God, how much fun?
It's really good fun.
It was really good fun, wasn't it? I really enjoyed it. And like for 25 euros, you even get your lunch included and everything as well. Really good, wasn't it?
Nice lunch.
Right,
Lovely.
let's go and get ourselves a little bit of groceries and go and sit on our balcony and drink a beer. See you tomorrow.